Ah, yeah. What's good? We gonna set it off. This is the Beats and Cypher Tuesdays, hosted by your boy Zimbabwe Kid, Zimbabwe Nexus. Cypher number 1 was Set It Off. ZIG ZAG Cypher number 2 was What's Good. ZIG ZAG Cypher number 3 was Ah Yeah. And now we're on to Cypher number 4, ZIG ZAG Cypher number 4, which is Undeniable Champion. Undeniable Champion. And so we gonna go into the rules real quick. If you don't know the rules, as always, go to Cypher number 1. I've got the description of the rules posted on video number 1, ZIG ZAG Cypher number 1. And the rules are, rule number 1, you gotta do you. You gotta be yourself, and just be unique, man. Just be yourself, and you gonna come out original, you know. And then rule number 2, you gotta have fun doing it, you know. As always, you gotta have fun doing this. Otherwise, what are you doing it for, you know? Enjoy doing it, and people gonna enjoy as well hearing you or watching your video. Number 3 is you gotta call out another MC. You know, it could be a label mate, could be a friend, someone else on YouTube, and all that. You know, call out your friends and keep it going. And then rule number 4 is it's yours. This is yours, you know. You can do whatever to the beat. You can sing a little bit, you can rap, you can mix it up, you can, man, just do something. Be original with it, you know. And people like that. They don't want to see the same thing. They want to see something that's unique, original. And I'm sure you can come up with some ideas. Alright? So, ZIG ZAG Cypher number 4, Undeniable Champion. And I'm going to call out some MCs. I got a big list right now, so I'm going to make sure I call out everybody. Alright? Okay. One Money Rob. What up? Officially MOB. Saytex 210. Mr. Lucky Luch. Cruise Control Product. Gargantuan Beast. L Hood Music. Scooby the Gambler. Unknown Crypt. JDP the Future. It's Filthy. Deuce Trade. CA. RIP Grizz. Awake 24/7. E1 the Music. Fusebound Productions. Taze 007. Deceiver 1. One Rule. ZZZ 33333. XOX Condor Core XOX 0207 02 Guy 07. John Solo Official. Siege 7 will have Skank Daddy, Killer MC, JKW 906 KOZ, Mr. Blackator, RC885, Long Punch, Stacks aka Lil Ace, Chris 2011, MC Analyze, and Vader the Villain. And that's it. Those are the MCs to set it off. ZIG ZAG Cypher number 4, Undeniable Champion. And the reason I chose this beat is that MCs of any, different style can kind of rock it, you know. I didn't want to just put a boom bap beat on there. Some, people got different styles, but this one, I think almost anyone or any MC can do their thing on this one, you know what I'm saying? And that's it. ZIG ZAG Cypher number 4, Undeniable Champion, hosted by Zimbabwe Kid. And that's what that is. Peace.